Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cake homemade step by step. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and gather 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup butter, and 3 eggs. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding flour and milk, mixing gently. Pour batter into a greased pan, smooth the top, and bake until a skewer comes out clean. Start by creaming butter and sugar for about 3 minutes until pale and fluffy, then add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Sift flour and baking powder together, then alternate adding the dry mix and milk in 3 parts. Use a spatula to fold gently on the final additions to keep the batter light. Scrape the bowl often to ensure even mixing and a uniform batter consistency. Pour the batter into a greased pan and bake at 350 degrees F for 25 to 35 minutes, checking with a skewer for doneness. Let the cake cool for about 10 minutes in the pan, then turn it onto a rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, level if needed and apply your chosen frosting. Take your time decorating and store the cake in a cool place until serving for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.